Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Today we are already into second unit, which is social media marketing. So we are going to learn online editing tools and designing marketing materials using Canva. So let's start the class. The objective of today's class is, by the end of today's session, you'll have a solid understanding of how to 1. Use Canva to design marketing materials effectively. 2. Customize templates to fit your brand or message. 3. Apply basic design principles to make your creations stand out. Before we dive in, I'd like to hear from you. How many of you have used Canva before? Great. So what is Canva? Now let's talk about Canva. Canva is a user-friendly online design tool that allows anyone, regardless of their design experience, to create a wide range of marketing materials. The best part, you don't need advanced design skills to create professional-looking materials. With its intuitive interface and extensive library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life easily and effectively. Besides, Canva is an intuitive graphic design platform offering drag-and-drop functionality and access to a vast library of templates, images, and fonts. With Canva, you simply choose a template, drag and drop your images and text, and within minutes you have a professional-looking flyer. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Canva is, let's explore some of its key features and benefits. We'll explore how these features can help you create high-quality marketing materials with ease. Let's take a closer look at what Canva has to offer. Let's explore, guys. There are 3 key features and benefit. 1, no design experience needed. Then number 2 is variety of templates for different needs. The key features. Number 3 is collaboration tools for team projects. So, let me give examples for you. Examples of marketing materials: posters, social media graphics, brochures, flyers, business cards, etc. That's all for the key features and today's topic. Thank you.